Hello everybody and welcome to another episode of As the Crow Flies Hiking. Today I'm going to do a short video about the Big Agnes Ultra Air Core insulated pad that I've been using. I got lucky at an REI grand opening and won this pad from the distributor Big Agnes and have been using it ever since. I've used it on about 5 different trips and I'm using it now, and it is a 25-inch by 72-inch by 3 1/4 inches thick. I've never had a pad that comfortable, and the pads I've had before have all been 20 inches wide. So this is 25 inches, and it is a game changer for me because now my elbows don't roll off the sides on the 20-inch. I've never had a pad like that before, and the 3 1/4 inch thickness of this pad is amazing. It is absolutely spectacular. The only downside to that is it is 25 ounces in weight. So you've got to give a little to get a little in this kind of game of hiking and backpacking. And I decided it was worth it for me, since I didn't have to pay anything for it, to have the 25-inch wide. So here it is, the Insulated Air Core Ultra pad by Big Agnes. It comes with a patch kit. It comes with this great bag, and this is actually a bag that you can fit the pad in. It's not one of those bags that you have to spend all night trying to figure out how to fold it correctly to get it in. It is big enough to fit in. It also has, what I really like, is this little handle at the bottom. So when you're trying to pull the pad out, you can actually pull it out. And then lastly, the here it is, the Big Agnes pad, 25 inches. That's awesome.
What?
Were you in?
I didn't do nothing.
Oh, you were in? Oh, okay.
You were trying to photobomb him.
You can, please do.
No, I was going to show him a 30. You were so happy with that 25-inch. I want to show him a 30.
Let's do it. Okay, so Senior Hiker has a 30-inch pad.
It's sold as a tip right here.
Oh my goodness, look at that. This is the Climate pad, right?
Yeah, climate.
Can I show you my 65-inch?
Hey, Kevin's got one too. Look, you're so happy with that 25. You've never slept on a 30.
I've never slept on a 30, so that'll probably be my next pad. Thank you, Senior Hiker. All right, so now I'm gonna blow this thing up and probably pass out during the process, so I'll skip this part and then I'll show you the thing fully blown up. All right, here we go. I think it takes 29 breaths, which is about 28 more than I want to do. I gotta take a break and get something to drink.
That's pea water he's drinking.
It's actually tea, but it does look like pea water. You know what? I've had the exit valve open the whole time. That's really smart.
Hey, you added that part out.
No, I'm not going to edit that. That's got to go in. All right, there it is. The Ultra Air Core Insulated 25 by 72 inch pad by Big Agnes. It's a good pad. I did want to show you guys how the Big Agnes pad works in relation to the intake and outtake of air. So here's the intake. You can open this intake up and it will not let air out. See, you're good to go. It's still maintaining the air that it has in it. But once you open this one, which I'm not going to do because I do not want to blow it back up, that's the outtake, and all the air, if you pop that open, it's gone. The whole thing's going to go down to the ground. So I really like the system in that you basically blow in here, fill it up, and then you can let it go very quickly, so it's going to go down the ground quickly. All right guys, that's the Big Agnes Ultra Air Core Insulated pad. That's a mouthful. And it's a mouthful to blow this thing up too, about 28, 29 breaths. For me anyway, I must not have very good lungs, but it blows up to 3 1/4 inches thick Again, 25 inches wide and 72 inches long for this particular pad. They have different models. So thank you again for watching another episode of As the Crow Flies Hiking. I hope you got some value out of this. Again, I don't recommend pads to sleeping pads to people. I think it's something you have to go out and kind of test it out yourself. But this has been working for me for the last 4 or 5 trips. It's a very durable type pad. I think it's going to last a long time. Anyway, thank y'all for watching. I hope you'll join me next time on another episode of As the Crow Flies Hiking.